in the platform, you'll be able to add users as well as depending on the subscription. So once you add user, you'll be able to also provide features like you can allow them to secure their logins by having 2FA, as well as you can activate or deactivate any user depending on their access. Like, so if suppose some users are no more in the organization, they don't require access to the platform, you can simply deactivate them, and which will impact in the subscription as well. You can assign roles to the users, like you no use I mean so definitely there is a super admin who can actually access the entire feature of the platform, but we provide a very granular level of creating accesses or having accesses to the users, or providing access to the users, where you can create roles, any role, and then for any role you can actually give decide what that role should actually access. Let's suppose you have a role, and there you can actually decide what that role should access. For example, for any BI analyst, the BI analyst doesn't need don't need to actually have access to the machine learning model, let's suppose. So here you can simply opt out machine learning for the BI analyst. So then you will not even be able to access that in the entire platform. Now within that, even within that, we have made it very granular. So for a respective feature in the platform, you will be again able to control like what are the actions they will be able to do. Like for example, if I just go back and show you, for example, as I said, a BI analyst doesn't need to even access machine learning. But even if you want to give him the access to machine learning, but still you are saying that okay, he will be just able to add models, but he will not be able to delete it. So you can control these accesses by these granular policies that we have provided in the access control. So n number of roles can be created, and n numbers of policies can be assigned to that, so that it's very much customized for your users and you have control over their actions. So that's all about the access control as well as the user management, and that this is the same role that you create here, which will be eventually attached to the users when you create them.